been riding in the back of this truck for the last 2 hours. It sucks.
Is there a lot of this in here?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Heck yeah. Daylight.
Oh, there's just rest up.
Oh, that lower level is flooded, dude. Like,
I was trying to say, it looks like water.
like flooded, Mike.
Looks like it went down a little bit. I don't want to climb all the way down there. But it's went down.
We're gonna get wet, boys. Want me to go?
I don't care.
Ow. Yeah, I hit my elbow on that popcorn. Keep hold of those knots. It's only a couple feet. Got it?
Yeah.
Your feet are about there, right there. Got it? Yeah. All right, now it's gonna drop down. Oh yeah, you got those boots on. Do you have your water boot? Oh yeah. How slick are those walking on this? Not bad?
I don't know. I had to walk through water.
That's last night.
It smells bad over here.
Like mouse?
Yeah. Oh, I hated this part.
Hey, where was it that we went down? In that squeeze?
I don't know. But I'm going up. I think it's all bad. It hurts.
Yeah.
Oh, I see one up there. Definitely. There's all flying around. You go down over here?
Huh?
I see there's one hanging off the ceiling.
Oh.
I went under it. Okay, so you can go over from one side, and you can look over it, and it's like really deep. Like looks like it's almost it could be a pit, but you can go underneath and see the bottom.
Salts.
Oh.
Dude, that looks sick when you did that. What's that?
You wasn't lying about it being dry? I thought it was probably gonna be wet.
Oh. Oh, it's gonna be wet.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, we're just in the upper level right now.
Oh, thanks.
What, Hannah?
Now coming?
I think you want to stay lower.
Probably is.
I went up right
You can go through underneath right here.
Here you go. You're free.
I had to wiggle that one.
Yeah, here's my bag.
Here, try to slide it up here. I'll get it.
Alright.
You scoot it up more?
Yep.
Hey, Pete, are you up there? Oh, I just thought I heard him.
Whew, that was fun.
Yeah, I bet.
I got scared for a second, but I didn't want to panic. My dad was calling for him. Huh? Oh. Dad, what do you need from Peter?
Oh, I was just wondering. I was gonna tell him there's a little waterfall down here. That's cool.
There's a little waterfall down there if you want to go look at it.
It's gonna be a little snug going back. Let's see how well he fares going through this. I'm probably gonna get stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, both you guys just grab his hands and pull him through. You just gotta go feet first, man.
Hey, record me.
I am. Oh, him.
Sorry. already. Can't believe you get through there. If you need help, let me know.
Ray, Hannah.
I got it. If you had to squeeze through that one, we're not used to that.
Your pack's up here.
This one's gonna be a blast.
I was probably that once you get through it.
Push my body and control it.
Hold on, I got.
grab it?
Oh no, I got it.
Just shove it through the hole.
Unless you want to record.
Layers of clothes on. So I'm like a lot thicker than normal right now.
You gonna be stuck?
Mm-mm.
You look stuck?
Like you say, if you
Oh shit! You okay?
Yeah.
That's why you need your helmet.
That's why you have helmets.
Damn, dude, you alright?
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh yeah.
You do that water?
I don't wanna go.
You coming, Hannah?
Yeah. Oh, don't shine on my eyes.
That's because you don't know how to get here. All right, you're good.
I'm good?
Yep.
How does it look on the other side? Does it get harder than this? It gets tight. I'm stuck.
You got it, Hannah? Hannah, that's pretty wild, isn't
My
it?
leg's about to get stuck. Oh, I almost fell face forward down.
You got it?
Yeah, that was tight.
Yes.
Just keep your knee up when you come through that backside so don't get stuck at where your hand is.
That reminds me of the 2-bit.
Mm-hmm. But it really opens up right here. This is where it starts getting windy.
You good?
Which means, yeah, 40-foot slanted.
What?
Close to climb.
Who said that? Whoa.
I'm not, if I rappel, I'm not going through that fucking crack. Do it down here.
No, we're not going this way. We're going the other way. These
Through
are
that little hole?
No, through that big passage right
What I'm talking
there.
about, this is a pit though.
Yeah, let me see that. Let me get some video of it.
That's what she said. A 40-foot, like, slanted close thing that you use through.
Dude, that might actually go over that way. Oh, dude! There's a lead down there.
Jump down, land on top of that.
Laying on a flow stone. Heck yeah!
That'd be pretty climbable.
It's pretty cool.
We're gonna come out.
Place is pretty cool. A little drippy going on. We are getting deeper though. I will click back on when I'm on the pit. Well, I got tired of waiting for Pete. So I'm just gonna go down this. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Hell yeah! This is sick! Mike! Mike! You gotta see this! Mike! This is awesome, dude. That's so awesome. More waterfalls. So cool. Nowhere. Oh, dude, that's neat.
Oh yeah.
This is so cool.
That is fun.
Yeah, it goes, dude.
Disappeared.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I can see the bottom down there.
You can see the first ledge.
Holy shit.
Mike! Yeah, he must have took him out. Is Hannah with you? Are they cold? They're not with them.
They're not?
No. What the fuck? I know Hannah knows her way out of here.
Okay.
I wonder if they got cold and they just went. She's pretty good, man, with people and other kids.
I'm gonna take this gear off, because it's gonna be hard to squeeze
Yeah.
all this shit on.
What's up? Who is this? Pete! Why didn't you drop the pit? I told you when you walked away we were going down.